Today's video, we're going to be looking at Google Classroom. There are several things that you need in order to access Google Classroom. Number one, you need your technology devices. So you can have your cell phone, you can use tablets, laptops, desktops. And then you're going to use your internet services, or you can use a data plan. A Google email address. If you don't have a Google email address, go ahead and pause this video and sign up for a Google email address, and then you get back to the video. The last thing you're going to need to access Google Classroom, you're going to need an access code from your teacher, your subject teachers, or you're going to need a link sent from your teachers in order to access their classroom. Go ahead and let us see how we can access Google Classroom. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to your browser and you're going to type Google Classroom. And here I select student login. So here it says sign in. You can just go ahead and click Google Classroom here. And while it is loading, it automatically goes to my Gmail account. I'm going to use this account to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and add my password. So this is a Gmail account that I'm using. So you have to go ahead and enter your Gmail address, and you're also going to enter your Gmail password. Next. Okay, so while my Google Classroom load, it is showing me the information that I have stored in my Google Classroom as a teacher. In order for you to join the class, you're going to go to your right and you're going to select the click button, create or join a class. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click join a class. So here where it says join class, this is where you're going to put your classroom code that was given to your teacher. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the code. Then I'm going to select join. Okay, so after joining, this is a class that I am in. Here it says create posts, share information and question with your other classmates. So here I can just leave a comment. I can just say, hey classmates, and I just can go ahead and post it. So my classmates within this, my other classmates within this class, they can go ahead and comment on what I've just posted. So here I am in auto mechanics class, and in order to do my topics, I'm going to go ahead and click on classwork. So here you would click on classwork. And these are the several different topics. So here we have engine as a topic, cooling system, and here we have suspension system or diagnostic repairs. Here we have suspension systems, and there are also dates that they were posted, and there are also due dates, as I would have been using an old class that was being done earlier during COVID. So what if I want to go ahead and look on some information? So here, these are the information. So here I have some handouts. And when you click on these handouts, you can just go ahead and click on them so you can read the information. So here, while it is loading, I have here engine fundamentals. So this is a picture taken by the teacher and uploaded to Google Classroom. So this can help individuals if you don't have the textbook. Once you're here in class, you can read this information that we have here. After that, you can just click the escape button on your computer and then it will change. there's another document being uploaded. So after reading these information, then you are going to go and you may have some quiz. You can also view videos. So here there are some videos linked to the topic, and you just go ahead and click on the video. Here where you have your video, you are going to just go ahead and click on it, and you're going to wait until it is uploaded.
This video, we're going to be talking about the engine fundamentals. Now,
so here I'm going to go back. So I click my arrow to take me back, and here it is asking me for some engine system type questions. So here it is asking some questions, and as soon as I click on the pictures, I should be able to see the information, and I can upload the information also. Now we're going to scroll down just to see some more. Here it says this is an engine quiz. In order for me to do the quiz, I will have to click on the quiz. This is the information for the quiz. So here there are different questions. So what you can do, you can record on a piece of paper if you think number 1 is A, number 2, whether it's A, B, C, or D. And after doing that, there's a section where it says that you're supposed to hand in your information. So here where it says hand in, we're going to look on that option soon. So this is one class. What if we want to go ahead and join another class? I'm going to click on the menu bar, and I'm going to click classes. Here, you just go ahead and you click the plus sign in order to join another class. So say, for example, that was industrial technology. Now you're going to join another class. So now you're going and you're going to click join. And here we have environmental science class. So now these are some information that has been uploaded by the teacher. Here we have the different things. So once you go into Google Classroom, you will see the recent uploads that the teacher have made. So if you have missed any upload, you can just go ahead and scroll down to see what you have missed. Then you can go to Classwork to see if there's any classwork that you should actually update. So after looking in the information, here we have some materials for community-based natural tourism. We have the objectives, so your teacher will upload the objectives. If you look to the right, there's no due date. Therefore, you just need to go ahead, go through the information, ensure that you record the objectives in your notebook so that you can complete these questions. Now we're going to log into another class. So all you need is one Gmail address, and once you click the plus icon, once you have logged into your Google Classroom, you can access many different classes once you were given your access code by your teacher. So now we're joining another class, and this class is online algebra course, and here it has directed numbers quiz. So what you're going to do here, you are going to click on the form to complete the activity. So say, for example, this is a test and I'm supposed to answer. So here it has blank quiz. The teacher could have named it directed numbers. Here you have the amount of points. Go ahead and select our answers. So I'm just going to randomly select some answers. And you scroll down to see the other questions. We can leave that one out, moving all along. Then you click submit. When you submit your information for most of these forms, you can click view score. and you will be able to see the amount you have gotten correct. So here it is saying that I've gotten 5 out of 7, therefore I have 2 incorrect, or it is the 2 that I've left out. So it is showing me here an X telling me that this one was left out, therefore I've lost 2 marks. So you can go ahead and you can X out. I'm going to go ahead and enter my code. And here we have stream, we have classroom, we have people. Let us click on people to see what it is saying. For people, it is giving us an idea of the amount of students in the class, okay? So now we have some information here. So this is saying activity sets 3. Let us check to see what this is saying. So I click on the page, and this is the activity that has popped up. So in this case, you could write it in your book, and after write it in your book, or you could download it on your computer or your tablet, and then you complete the activity. Let us scroll down to see. This is another activity. Just click to see the next activity. Here says view question. And here it is also asks if you have anything to type. You can type your answer to hand in, or you can upload the information to hand in your activity.